Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of EC. In this video, I am going to share about design thinking for real-time sensor data streaming to AWS IoT. So here the AWS means Amazon Web Services. So most probably all those data streaming and all those database has been configured with IoT with the help of Amazon Web Services. Let me see how these real-time sensor data streaming has been done by using this IoT. Introduction. This system facilitates the remote management, predictive maintenance, and the improved decision making by mirroring the physical assets in the digital world. And it is used to ensure about the scalability and robustness against the node failure, such as security and access to advanced cloud-based tool and analytics. So the main thing which is used for AWS is to store the number of data in their database by using a cloud services access, so that we can able to access by the remote place itself. And next one is the design thinking having five stages. Let me see how these five stages by using this real-time sensor data streaming with the help of IoT based on AWS. The first stage is empathy. So here the empathy is the problem statement finding solutions. So here the stakeholders such as former industrial operators, environmental monitors, agencies are there having the problem statement clearly to the users, so that the user has to verify the problem statement with the help of those stakeholders. And moreover they are in need of what kind of things to be performed, so that we can able to make the corrections and make the updation also. So it is based on interviews, surveys and observation to help and identify the problems based on the transmission and remote accessibility, lack of remote accessibility, and difficulties in the monitoring the multiple sensors simultaneously. So these are all the things to be concentrate in this empathy part. And next one is define. So the define is to provide a proper solution for the above problem statements, and it is very challenges for developing all those things by the way of sensor data and process it efficiently. The stream is securely to the cloud for remote processing application and their analytic process. Then the systems should provide a low latency communications and reliable connectivity and real-time visualization of sensor reading. So these are all the factors need to concentrate for the problem statements. And next one is ideate part. So in this ideate part, we need to implement all those definitions of by using a Raspberry Pi and an edge devices, so that the sensor has been analyzed with the help of pin numbers, and it is to be configured to the MQTT protocol. So here MQTT is message queuing telemetry transport protocol. So it will pass the data one by one based on the input signals. So it can able to communicate to the sensors with the help of AWS server, and it is able to enable the process by using an IoT process. So the proposed components are Raspberry Pi, it acts as a IoT gateway, and temperature, humidity, environmental sensors, MQTT communication protocol, because this is the tool which is used to forward the information from source to destination. And next one is AWS IoT core for cloud data management. So I did part. So here they are given about the solution which is going to give for this AWS streaming process. So here the idea they are given about clearly the process in which to be followed for this process. Initially the Raspberry Pi has been enabled for the Python coding, so that it can able to check the sensors data by using this Raspberry Pi, and then it can able to communicate to the AWS process with the help of IoT. So here the IoT main function is to enable and process all those data to the cloud access with the help of internet. So it will provide an internet access to the cloud, so that we can able to access by a remote place. And next one is prototyping. So it will be implement based on the Arduino board and the connections, and the display must be there so that we can able to check the process and the particular solution of the connected data. So in the prototyping process, the prototyping is to be followed based on the pin numbers, because if you want to access more number of data at the same time, means that then we can able to configure the Raspberry Pi based on the pin numbers. Then the particular pin numbers only assigned by using this prototyping model, so that it can able to communicate to the IoT data based on the allocation of the number of input signals. And next one is testing. After finalizing the sensor unit, then we can able to configure to the AWS process. Then we can able to verify the cloud servers by typing the numbers or typing the IP address of the particular websites, so that we can able to verify the cloud data by using this model. So these are all the outcomes while coming from testing. Verify the real data transmission and measures the communication delay, access cloud storage, validate the dashboard visualization accuracy, and ensure the secure device authentication process. Conclusion: by using this, we can able to communicate those devices very easily and identify the challenges, and given the innovative ideas for this process, and building the prototype and continuously testing the solutions. Thank you.